Here's a look at the latest COVID numbers from the state's Department of Health. Over the weekend, another 5,900 Hoosiers tested positive for COVID. That brings the total to more than 1.56 million cases, and nearly 50,000 of those are reinfections. The good news in all of this is there were no new deaths reported. And we're now hearing that you should be able to get some free N95 masks by the end of this week.
Yeah, the federal government plans to hand out 400 million of those masks, and the CDC says they offer better protection against the Omicron variant than cloth masks. So 400 million of those N95 masks are leaving the strategic stockpile and heading to pharmacies and health centers across the country. The program's hopes to be at full speed by early February. Stores like Meijer and Kroger are taking part in the distribution. Walgreens estimates they'll have some by this Friday, saying there will be signs when masks are available. The new rollout comes as the highly contagious Omicron variant continues to dominate the U.S. The CDC says the N95 mask can filter up to 95% of particles when used correctly.
IU students, faculty, and staff can pick up free N95 or KN95 masks now. The university has made them available at different locations across all of their campuses. IU plans to keep handing those out through early February. We've placed a link on where you can get those around the IU campus on our coronavirus blog. You'll find that at WTHR.com.
Pfizer CEO says he hopes the COVID vaccine eventually becomes a shot that you only need to get once a year. He says it would be easier to convince people to get the shot if they only needed to do it once a year and not a booster that we have to get every few months. Right now, Pfizer is looking to create a vaccine that protects against Omicron and some other of those COVID variants.